Guys, I was playing this game, and look what happened. And another train actually got stuck in mine. Uh, and I can't do nothing. Bro, what happened to the train? You see that big black line right here? Bro, that's another train. What, bro? What? Bro, what? Now look. Bro, what? Oh, no. I just ran over a kid on the train track. Alright. We're picking back up the speed. We're picking back up the speed. Not like the actual speed, but we're picking back up the speed. We're doing a little bit of work. We're doing a little bit of that work. Let's go. Oh no, you see the train shaking? Y'all do not see the train shaking? Now I'm about to go top speed. Top speed! That's me, baby! That's me! Baby, that's me! 50 miles per hour? Oh no. I see. Let me go to the back. Let me see what people are doing. Oh, I actually like this train, but I'm about to save up and get more. I stopped the train because I was going too fast. And I knew if I didn't stop the train, I was going to go. It's going to be bad. That was going to be real bad. So I think y'all should check out the game. It's called Snow Hills Lane on Roblox. It's a free game. You can do a lot of stuff. See? Ooh, wait, this game look nice. The graphics is 100% good and everything. Y'all see that? The introduction is just sweet. Y'all see that? Only reason it looks like this because it's nighttime in the game. Y'all don't see that? That looks nice. 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 Ridiculous nice. Peace. Like and subscribe to your boy Basketball King. Peace.